Let's talk today about lease operating expenses. These are expenses that incur whenever something goes wrong or maintenance is needed out on a lease. So as I came out here today and I saw one of our wells, I could see that this polish rod right here was leaking from the stuffing box. Okay, Brent, so what happens in the event of an oil spill? Well, we got one right here. You just kick a little dirt on it and nobody's ever gonna know, right? Wrong. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a phone call to a 24-hour maintenance crew called a roustabout crew. They're gonna come out here, they're gonna evaluate what this thing needs. This is a very common problem, especially whenever you have friction between two pieces of metal rubbing together, but it's usually not the end of the world because most of them need simple repairs. Think of this as like maintenance on real estate. You have a rental property and the air conditioner goes out. That air conditioner might be pretty expensive. That would be the equivalent of tubing in a well going out or a motor on your pump jack. But what happens whenever you just have a little bit of leak under your sink? You call a plumber, they fix it. Usually it's not too damaging. Same thing out here. So right now, that roustabout crew's on the way. They're gonna fix this. At the end of the month, they're gonna send us a bill. The operator is gonna get that bill and deduct that bill from the money that's made from the oil. This is why checks fluctuate. Whenever you see oil, you can read the statements. It says, hey, my check went down a little bit this month because things happen. The roustabout crew will probably knock this out in a couple hours. They'll bring a skid steer out here. We will properly remove and dispose of this contaminated rock, and our landowner will be happy that we're properly taking care of these assets. So we're going to go and try to get this cleaned up as cost effectively as possible because a dollar saved is a dollar earned, and we want to generate the highest returns for our partners with the Energy Flex Fund.